Hi, welcome to the next video in Ask Hannah, in which I help you supercharge your career with some top advice and tips. Today we're going to be looking at an interview question: what interests you about working for our company? Now, it's a question that lots of candidates think is a bit redundant because you wouldn't be interviewing for this job if you weren't interested. But employers are really keen to find out not just that you're interested, because there are lots of candidates who are equally qualified, equally interested. They really want to know how motivated and enthusiastic you are about working for them. So it's really important to give this question as much attention as you can, because it can really tip the balance when it comes to interviewers. Lots of people have lost out on job offers because they didn't just come across as motivated enough or enthusiastic enough to an employer. So they're going to be thinking about how you fit in with their culture, how motivated you are for the job and the role, and also how, if they do hire you, will you stick around? Or are you going to leave when the next shiny thing comes along? So it's really important to prepare well for this question. So first of all, you need to really research the company. And by research, I mean you need to make that your second job. You really need to invest time in it. So have a look at their website. Have a look at their social media presence. If they've got an annual report, have a look at that. You can get some really good nuggets of information that you can bring out. Have they launched any new initiatives? You can set up some Google alerts, follow them on LinkedIn, do some research about finding out who they are, what drives them, who their customers are, the services they offer. This will give you some intel that you can use in the interview throughout the interview. The other thing you need to do is to know who you are. So you need to get a really good understanding of why that role resonates with you, why you think you would perform well in it, how you would fit in with the culture of the company. So think about past achievements. How can you repeat those in this company and contribute in a really positive way to the growth and success of this company? Because what an employer wants to know in an interview is how you are going to impact their bottom line. How can you contribute to the growth and the success in that company? It's really important as well that you ask questions at the end of the interview, because if you don't, it does give an impression that you're not as engaged or interested in the role. So always have some really compelling questions to ask, and in a later video we'll be looking at the kinds of questions you can think about to have ready. Finally, really important to follow up after an interview, because this can keep you on an employer's radar. It gives you the opportunity to address any kind of reservations you feel they may have had from any of your answers. And it just showcases your enthusiasm for the role. So I hope this has been helpful. This is a question that will always come up in an interview. There's no way an employer is not going to ask you why you want to work for them. Excuse me. So having a really compelling and well-constructed answer can really make you stand out as a candidate. So until our next video, goodbye, and don't forget to let us know about any topics or questions that you would like us to cover in these videos by just sending through some contacting us on Facebook or Twitter or email. We look forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye.